The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The ocean of self-clarity has no shore. It is difficult to define and will not be penetrated through any search. This is described as resembling the bottom of a deep lake. Unsought blessings arise by themselves with piles of spontaneously made jewels. This is described as resembling a jewel of great price. Does the sun not appear to be one? When it is completely clear that emotional problems are wisdom, this is described as resembling how poison itself continues to be medicine. When it is completely clear that reflexive awareness shines in everything, we appear to play in spontaneous great bliss. This is described as resembling the waves of the great ocean. The specifics of definitions may appear in any way, but they do not lend toward our remaining in the unchanging embodiment of the Dharma. This is described as resembling the color black. It happens by itself. It is not something to work toward. It is self-arising. It may appear as anything. It matures out of itself, so it is described as resembling the amra fruit. On this king of self-arising vehicles, we brilliantly go everywhere, without traversing anything. This is described as resembling the soaring of a Garuda in the sky. The transmission of this self-occurring perfection that has no limits overwhelms our cravings for limits. This is described as resembling a lion letting out a roar. The playfulness of the wheel of the all-good is totally free from all appearances and descriptions, all existence and absence. This is described as resembling the all-good having nothing to renounce or take on. The mind itself is the reflexive awareness of all dharmas, and the mind itself is originally pure from the primordial. This is described as resembling a golden isle of jewels. There are three aspects of the great perfection that are extraordinary: its unsought path, its comprehensive scriptures, and its secret Upadesha, which we actually have. The self-luminescence of its view has no connection with planetary concerns. Without looking, the self-luminescent eye of wisdom is free from the limitations there are in both knowing and obstructing this luminescence. The self-luminescence of awareness is perfected in this domain. This playfulness of the all-good has no cessation. Awareness which is not to be stopped arises from itself as perfect. We use the practices of this uncontrived heart essence to play in space which has no border or center. We do not receive the supreme empowerment of the vase of royal investiture, for we are perfect in ourselves, and this is clear in all things. The wisdom of awareness occurs to us in a single instant. The time allotted will be clarified through discussion with a guru. The samaya for this magnificent circle are jewels that dwell in the mind of the all-good. These samaya are not to be protected, for they continue without protection, being unconnected to any position. This self-awareness has been spontaneously here from the primordial. It has no positions or preferences, for it has already pervaded everything. Our good works are not done as deeds and are without limitations. So perfect wisdom is clear to us without our doing anything. It is like Takshaka's jewel, or the king of the lights of the world. Its blessings and compassion dawn on us by themselves. They are not achieved by diligent practice or by searching for them.